Well, good morning. How you doing, Marty?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Doing good. Doing good. So, how's the hips and the lower back today?
I had a lot of traveling this week. I'm not feeling too good on the right side again.
On the right side there. All right.
I will say, after last week, the adjustments that you made to knees and ankles, oddly enough, I felt 3 days of full relief. That was really nice.
Excellent. Excellent. Well, that'll probably be something that we'll try to do that, on a somewhat regular basis, just to make sure that balances out not only the ankles and knees, but then hips as well. So.
Very good.
All right. All right. Yeah, let's have you go ahead and hop aboard here.
Okay.
Yeah, got that lined up. Yeah, go ahead and lean in. I'll lower you down here. So the travel is aggravating it there a little bit, huh?
I think so.
Or a lot of it.
It's the only thing different, or the only thing that I'm doing.
Let's check your leg length here. Yeah, so that right leg's a little bit shorter there. Yeah, between 1/4 and 1/2 inch shorter there. All right. Yeah, so what we're gonna look at doing is taking a look at that sacrum, because that sacrum tends to be the thing that throws it off, but those hips kind of follow suit there. Let's do a little bit of stretch here. So, so Marty's had a laminectomy, L3, L4, L5. That was about 10 years ago, and so we're not doing any adjustments in the lumbar area. So we're just essentially going to be looking at the sacrum and the hips, and also taking a look at the upper back and the neck there as well. And a couple things that I'll do is I check the leg length. See if some of the areas still need some attention. It does look like some of the upper back still needs some attention there. Okay. And that mixed up the other side there. Very good, very good. And a little bit more right here also. And mostly in that left side here is where it needs the attention. Draw it a little bit closer. See, that's starting to bring that leg length a lot closer there. Right there. I'll bring the legs up. We'll check it again. Just make sure it's staying. Okay. Still gonna check this right hip. Yeah, when I get that right hip. A little bit. There you go. Yeah, now that brings it all the way there now. Excellent, excellent. All right. Okay, Marty, I'll have you go ahead and flip over on your back. That particular drop technique with Marty works very well. He gets great response with that. So there are many different ways to adjust the lower back and the hips, but with Marty, the drop technique that's his technique that works well. All right, just a little bit going on there at the upper cervicals there. Tilt this way just a little bit there. There we go. Very good. Very good. And yeah, we're going to take a look at your ankles and knees there too. So I'll lower you down there a little bit. So you got a lot of traveling to do this weekend at all, or?
This weekend, not so much. Next week we'll be out. You'll be much needed on next Friday.
How about any golfing? Any golfing?
I plan to do some later today. So line me back up for another home one.
Yeah. So for years I've been telling golfers that I give the hole-in-one adjustment. Just kind of teasing. And then this year I had two people. They'd gone out, and after they got adjusted, I said, "Okay, I give you the hole-in-one adjustment." And they come back the next week or whatever, the next time they came back, and the person that they were with got the hole-in-one. So I thought about advertising, hey, you bring your buddy in, you get a hole-in-one. But there you go. Until Marty, that was just a couple weeks ago, I told him, all right, give me a hole-in-one adjustment, and he comes back and, hey, got some good news. Got a hole-in-one.
Yes, sir.
I'm like, finally. Finally it's true. Finally it's true. All right.
That would have been,
But you have said that, that it has helped out your golf game, though, just in getting your hips aligned.
without a doubt, yes. When you can get clear through the ball without pain, it definitely is.
So reducing the pain and getting the better alignment there, and so when the gears aren't in the right position, then they don't move properly. So once the gears are in the proper position, then you get the full motion, full function.
Yeah. Very good.
All right. Excellent. So how's that
Yeah,
feel?
without a doubt. I can feel the difference already. It just feels like that hip is out and this one's down.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Just how I feel. I don't know if that's.
That's typically how your hips sit, somewhat like in this position here, and that left one kind of turns in, like the back side of it turns in, so the front side kind of turns out.
Yeah, that's
so
exactly how I feel.
All right. Excellent.
Well, good. Thank you.
Hole in one.
All right.
Hole in one.
All righty. Thanks.